يا أيها الناس إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
تقال العثار العظام به ويغدو الهوى ككبش ذبيح بذكر الإله.
My 15-year-old was studying biology and his teacher was an atheist, and he came and told me that he was studying biology and he said that his teacher said that we can explain life without God. And I said that biologists should not interfere with cosmology. A biologist should stay in biology and not start talking about cosmology, because that's another science, cosmology. And it reminded me of the joke about the biologists that meet God, and God asked them what they're up to, and they said, well, we've gotten rid of you. And God asked the biologist, how did you get rid of me? And they said, well, we can explain how we got here without you. And he said, well, how would you do that? He said, well, first we take some cosmic dust. And God says, no, wait a second. Get your own dust. Right? You see, because where did it all start? Where did we come from? Even if evolution explained how we have evolved as a species, it doesn't explain where the original material came from. Man cannot bring anything into existence from nothing. He makes organs from already existing cells. The cloning comes from already existing cells. He's now in stem cell research and doing all of these things. Everything that he makes has pre-existing materials. We cannot make anything out of nothing. It's impossible for humans to do that, because nothing comes from nothing. And this is why my own teacher said, كذب الملحدون. The atheists are liars. العدم لا يوجد الوجود. Non-existence cannot bring existence.